Okay, so we've just arrived in Sorrento. We're in the Hotel Michelangelo, room 300. So we've got a twin room. Desk area, big mirror. Minibar with some bits and pieces in. Some drinks. The chocolate is mine, I'll just put that in there. We've got space to hang your stuff. Safe is in this drawer here. And there's another drawer down there, another big drawer. Nice bathroom. Very clean on the looks of it. Hair dryer. There's also Wi-Fi. The aircon is lovely in here. Option of another bed there, looks like. TV. Doesn't look like there's any USBs, but you can obviously... Oh, there is. Yeah, you got some USBs and the other charger there. No normal plug that side. And we've got a bit of a balcony as well. Not the greatest of views, but we don't mind that, and it's... all these buildings are reasonably close together anyway. It's typical Italian. So yeah, this is our home for the next 4 nights.